Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to install Windows 11 in VMware Workstation 17. The process is now a little bit different than it was in 16, a little bit easier. So what we're going to do, we're going to do the typical installation here. So create a new virtual machine. I'm going to pick Custom, Workstation 17. So if I were to choose Windows 10 ISO file, it says Windows 10 detected. Before it wouldn't, if you did Windows 11, it wouldn't know exactly what you had for your ISO file. And if you do next, it's just the typical thing that you're used to. But if I change this to Windows 11 ISO file, it's found Windows 11 64-bit, and now watch what happens. Okay, we're going to call this Windows 11 Pro 2. Now you can see right here, it asks about the encryption during the virtual machine configuration, because last time on the previous version, you'd have to do this afterwards to get it to run Windows 11. You'd have to add the TPM and encrypt it and so on. So this thing, you could encrypt all the files or just the ones that are needed, these files here, and then you could put in your password for your VM, for the encryption that is. And you could have it remembered in the password credentials manager, so you don't have to type it in each time you click on it when you open it up, when you open up the program, that is. UEFI, let's stick with the defaults on this. We'll bump up the RAM a little bit. We'll use NAT, same controller, NVMe disk, new virtual disk. I like to do single disk files instead of multiple disk files because I'm not backing them up. Let's make this 80. And I like to change the name of the disk file to the size of the disk. So that way if I had disks later and I need to delete something, I'll know which ones I'm working with. Okay, and then power on the VM after it's finished. Okay, so there's the encryption process. Should be pretty quick since it's brand new. Yep, just like that. And then you've done the Windows 11 installation a million times, I'm sure. And if you haven't, then it's just like installing Windows 10, just, looks a little different. So we'll go ahead and finish this and we'll be back and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so the virtual machine has been configured. So if we close Workstation, then open it back up again. You can see that our Pro 2 doesn't ask for a password, but if we click on one that does have a password like this one, you have to put it in there. Then, of course, you could put in the password and check this box, and then you won't have to type it in each time you open Workstation, and then this little lock will disappear as well. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward installation, a little bit quicker because it does some of the steps during the configuration rather than having to do it after the fact. So once you do your Workstation Pro 17 upgrade, you'll be able to install Windows 11 much easier. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.